keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the...
Picking up materials for the rebuild in the bedroom. So I got a pretty extensive list. I reckon it will take most of the day to pick this up, and hopefully I manage to get all the right things. It's Friday today, and on Sunday the rebuild starts. I'm gonna start with resealing the whole RV from the outside, and then test the seals. Just spray some water on there while it's open up inside. We'll see if it still has any leaks. And after that, we'll start putting everything back together. We'll see how it goes.
Everybody get up.
needs to happen. So today's plan and this week's plan is to reseal the RV from the outside and replace all the caulking. We also need to fix the awning that's getting stuck when we retract the slide. So we need to get that fixed. And for the inside, for the inside, we're gonna start to rebuild this. We're gonna weld some supports onto these cross members here, so we can start rebuilding the floor. So first we're gonna put a wooden floor on this mat, and then isolation, and then the floor itself. For this wall here, we're gonna use fiberglass to strengthen that up. New floor, new isolation on the walls. Rebuild the wall here. Insert the shower. Do new plumbing. Mount the wall pieces here. Put new flooring in. Another wall needs to go here, and then fit the bed. See how far we get this week. Yeah, I'm positive.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart. No playing games. You gotta be true, true, true. You gotta be. 'Cause you're human. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Just let your tears fall down. No need to worry about tomorrow, baby. 'Cause you got time to figure it out. It's only water. It's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder. Oh, you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart. No playing games. You gotta be true, true, true. You gotta be. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Just let your tears fall down. No need to worry about tomorrow, baby. 'Cause you got time to figure it out. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. 'Cause
morning. Start of day 3 for the bedroom rebuild. It's the 7th working day since we noticed the water damage. But it's going good. I'm confident that we're gonna fix this. Quite happy with the results so far. Yeah. Today I'm alone. My mom has been helping me out this past few days, but she has a meeting today, so she'll be joining after lunch. But before then, I'm hoping to finish the floor in the bedroom, or the flooring in the bedroom. The main floor in the bedroom, not all the corners and the engine hatches and all that. It's not gonna be done, but the main flooring, I'm hopefully getting that sorted before she arrives. We'll see. Stay tuned.
Straight from the heart, no playing games. You gotta be true, true, true. You gotta be. Cause you're human. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Just let your tears fall down. No need to worry about tomorrow, baby. Cause you got time to figure it out. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Cause you're It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart, no playing games. You gotta be true, true, true. You gotta be. Cause you're human. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Just let your tears fall down. No need to worry about tomorrow, baby. Cause you got time to figure it out. It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart.
So things are moving along. I'll give you a quick tour on what's happened so far. So the floor is now in. We painted this vents white. Thought it looks quite nice. They were a brownish color before. Glued some flooring piece here, so the floor there. Start putting isolation on the wall here. So hopefully tomorrow we can start rebuild the side wall here and put the shower in.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart. No playing games. You gotta be true, true, true. You gotta be. Cause you're human. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Just let your tears fall down. No need to worry about tomorrow, baby. Cause you got time to figure it out. It's only water. It's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder. Oh, you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart. No playing games. You gotta be true, true, true. You gotta be. Cause you're human. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Just let your tears fall down. No need to worry about tomorrow, baby. Cause you got time to figure it out. Sometimes it's gonna hurt, baby. Cause you're
We're definitely getting somewhere. A few weeks ago when I noticed this water damage, I honestly didn't think we would be able to leave.
Even when the heart gets going, even when I've lost all control, I know that you're calling me to you. It doesn't matter where I've been, this love isn't based on what I've done. Jesus, let your love take over me. Till the life runs out, I will sing with all of my heart. Still your praise I'll shout from the morning until nightfall. I'm drawing in closer. You make me
what we've done so far. We managed to get the shower all back and it all works. We've tried the plumbing out and all the water connections, so no leakage. We mounted the bed and jogged the slide in and out a few times and it all seems to be working. And so this is storage. So just need to put the mattress on here. And yeah, all the closets and everything is installed. I'm pretty happy with the flooring here. I think it looks quite nice. It's gonna be colder though, colder than the carpet. So, but it looks cleaner, like a more modern style, I guess. So this is the engine hatches. I'm still gonna make some sort of handhold or something to easily, so it's easier to grab a hold of and remove them. But this has to work for now. Yeah, you just remove this. This is just a one piece, and then remove the engine hatch. It's the same in here in the closet. Same for that hatch. And it works then. Pretty sturdy to stand on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I would say everything is sort of back to where it was before. And we've taken the RV for a small test drive and everything seems to be working. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now.